Hey Ethan, what do you do?
Hey, I'm actually a financial advisor with NTUC Income.
What have you learned throughout these 2 days of SAMP course?
So for this SAMP course, I think one thing I learned a lot is about how to calculate the total debt servicing ratio, and I have a more clear understanding of how, in terms of the financial planning side, when it comes to property, I can better to advise my clients.
Are the knowledge and skill sets important or helpful in your business?
Yeah, definitely. I think it's more of a value add I can give to my clients to advise them also whether are they in a healthy financial position to look at their next property purchase.
Would you recommend your friend or colleagues to attend SAMP?
Yeah, definitely. I think it's a great course, especially because for financial planners, because property is also part of is a huge part of their financial portfolio. And for property agents, it's a definitely yes, because you get to value add your clients a bit more. Yeah.